In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace rear exterior door handles on a Ford Transit Connect. These are located on the outside of the rear doors. Let's get started. We are going to make our way inside of the vehicle and locate our rear door panel on our sliding door. We are going to remove these push pin clips holding it down with a trim tool. Set these aside and pull the inner door panel off. With our panel removed, we have access to our vapor barrier. I'm going to be removing the seal using a razor blade. Peel the barrier back and cut it away. A quick note, this sealant is very sticky, so take caution and do not get it on your clothes or skin. With the top portion of our vapor barrier pulled back, we now have access to our exterior door handle. On the top left portion of our door, we're going to locate this rubber grommet. We're going to remove it using a trim tool to gain access to our screw. Set it aside. I'm going to feed my drill bit through this hole, and I'll be using a T30 Torx bit to remove the screw. The screw is going to stay in the door handle assembly as it is held in by tabs. Just ensure it's fully loose. We're going to move back to the outside of the vehicle and locate our door handle. We're going to pull the back portion out. Set it aside. Now to remove the main portion of our door handle, keep a finger on the gasket. We're going to pull back the handle and pull it out. So push towards the back of the vehicle and pull away. Remove your gasket as well. And there it is. We're going to clean the mating surface on the door to ensure our new gasket has a proper seal. I'm going to spray some soap and wipe it down with a rag. And that looks good. We're going to install our gasket. On the gasket there are two tabs. These point towards the door, so slide them under and make sure they fully seat. Now I'm going to take my handle, feed it through the front position, the back as well. Once everything is lined up, push towards the front of the vehicle. Fix the gasket if you have to, and ensure the handle works as intended. Let's install the rear portion of our door handle. Just slide it into place until it clicks. We're going to move back inside the inner portion of the door handle. We're going to snug down our T30 Torx screw. We're going to reinstall our rubber grommet on our door panel. Just slide it into place and push down. We're also going to reinstall our vapor barrier. Align the sealant and push it down. If your sealant is dry, now's a good time to add more. We're going to go ahead and install our door panel. Put it into position. And install your push pin clips. And that completes our install. Ensure your door functions as intended, and thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.